Today was such a stressful day.
You with the rise news in Nigeria's capital Abuja.
You are still waiting, looking now. Where the train now? Where the train?
Because you go see some people now when train dey come, they go say they wan call it.
I have to find our way to Wellesley. I said, oh, Wellesley, that's true. Could you mention Wellesley? That's why I walking to Wellesley. Hi guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Yes, I'm starting a new vlog, and this is not the way I planned to start this vlog. Maybe let me switch the camera. Today was such a stressful day. So stressful, like I don't even see. My tire is tired. My tire is tired. So again, I stopped by at the mall to get some grocery items. Yes, I do not ever come straight home. So I stopped to get rice. We've not been able to get like the rice that we like from the stores around us, so I just usually buy it at you guys. My memory space, I keep running out of memory space. I'm so hungry, I'm so tired. Babe, do you know when I ate food?
You running out of memory space. How many gig that type now? Yeah?
So today was such a stressful day. So stressful. So stressful that I just knew that there was no way I would come back and cook. So I stopped to buy the cheapest thing that I could possibly get and that I love. I went to Popeyes and I got me some Fruitopia and the 3-piece chicken combo. So, what was I saying? Today was so stressful, you guys. To see, in this Canada, you need to have a car. The importance of having your own car cannot be overemphasized. Fine, I know if we had a car, I would not be driving to work. No, my commute is not that bad. It's not difficult. But the fact that I went to do grocery run added to my stress. First off, before I even went to the mall to buy anything, the transit system. I mean, I love it here, but this is one thing that I think is not making sense. No, it's not making sense at all. I don't mean to complain, but the transit system here is whack. Like it is crappy. It's so not good at all. Pause, you guys. I'm not going to bore you with another rant about TTC. So we're just going to go past this point where I ramble about my unfortunate transit ordeal today. Let us get right on with the vlog. And no, The transit system is not the absolute worst. It's just that it can be better. It can be better, and stop stressing a girl out. I was like, I must complete my workout today. I can't come out stress this much today and still come out tomorrow to go get stuff, right? So I'm like, let me still go and achieve all that I planned out. I wanted to go pick rice, you guys. The rice we like to buy, I find that that's the only particular store I always see it. The other no frills at my that's closer to me, it doesn't have it. So I went to pick it and a few other things. So I got yam as well because today we took Irish potatoes to work. We ate Irish potatoes on Sunday. I don't want us to eat Irish. I don't want Irish potatoes this Sunday, so I went and got yam. I also picked some salted butter. Actually, the thing that I'm excited to show you guys, I picked this shrimps. I want to make fried rice this time, and I have actually made shrimp fried rice for a long time ago, but like shrimps are so expensive, so like I would rather just buy chicken franks and use those instead. But this time I decided to buy shrimps. The price is $7.99. I think it's fair. What do you guys think? What do you think? How much would this sell for at your end if you're in Canada? This is the reason for the whole stress. This long grain rice. I love it so much. I just wanted to start the vlog, you guys, and I'm so sorry that it's starting on a with a rant. So this evening is just going to be chill. Just eat, relax, work on some things that I should have done a while back, and yeah. So I think I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's a very cozy Saturday morning. I am so happy. I love it when it snows and I don't have anywhere to go. It's just the best feeling ever. So first things first, I must brush my teeth because if not, I just don't feel right. So I brush my teeth and get on with doing a bit of cleaning around the house, throw out the trash, clean the toilet, and yeah, just basic cleaning around the house. Basically, it's my turn this weekend to clean the bathroom. So yeah. This day, today is actually the election day in Nigeria, the presidential election, and yeah, I was watching the news as I was trying to focus on the things that I had to do. It was not easy, but yeah. And we're not even going to go into the details of what transpired because I know lots of wounds are healing and I don't want us to revisit it. So yeah. Now that I'm done with all the cleaning, I'm going to take a nice warm shower. And today I'm going to be doing everything cleansing and exfoliating. Exfoliating is a must, especially because the weather is so dry. So, to prevent flakiness of your skin, you just want to make sure that you do not miss the step. Now the shower time is done, I'm going to go ahead and make my favorite thing to make on a Saturday, which are pancakes.
You with the Rise News in Nigeria's capital, Abuja, as we bring you special coverage of Nigeria's 2023 presidential election. I'm Sulaiman Alede.
Hi guys. Woo! What's the time? The time is currently 4:14. You guys, I picked the wrong day to actually film this video that I wanted to film. I wanted this vlog to be, a chilled, cozy, stay in vlog, cozy snowed in vlog because you guys, it's so cold outside. I just wanted to chill in, and vlog it all, right? But today is election day, and I'm feeling all of the energy, like I'm feeling everything. Yeah. I legit am having trouble with concentrating on the things that I have planned out for today. Like, it's crazy. I love the turn of events. At least, I mean, they're still counting. They've not concluded on the counting yet. They've not announced results, but I feel so proud seeing the turnout of voters. Like, it's very uplifting. So well done to every well-meaning Nigerians who went out to vote and voted their conscience. When talking to those people who voted their conscience, whichever party it is, but if you voted for the best of reasons, not for selfish reasons or whatever, you voted well. Well done. So I decided to just pick up the camera, the vlog, because like I've not been able to do all that I planned out, and the time is already past 4. Like, it's 4:16, so this should be about 10:16. This is 10:16 in Nigeria right now. They're still counting votes. It's almost evening now. I want to get started with dinner because we're going to have beans for dinner. So yeah, I'm going to make beans and plantain. That's what I want to have for dinner. Well, typically this is how my weekend goes. I make breakfast, I clean a bit, I make breakfast, edit a video or two, just take things slow. That's what I usually do on the weekends, especially when I'm not going anywhere. So yeah, now it's time to start making dinner.
Before I start cooking, I would like to just make use of one of these jars to store my salt, because the container the salt comes in, if care is not taken, I'll just over pour salt into my food, and I don't want that mistake to happen. So yeah. I initially wanted to wait till when I do my kitchen organization, but as it stands, I better just do this now. It's just about past 4 at this time, so we're going to pick the beans we want to cook. You guys, the beans I came with from Nigeria finally finished, and that one was clean. My mom and my siblings, they were kind enough to help me pick the beans, so I was just using beans on the go, like it was just good to go as it was. And now I bought beans, and we have to now pick the beans before we cook. So sad. Anyways, this beans was not too dirty, so it was not much of a bother. We picked the beans, and I went ahead to cook the beans. Y'all, I make the best bean porridge. Argue with your phones, argue with your keypads. Now the food is ready. So dinner is ready now. We're just going to have dinner and try to have a chill evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you. Those of you who keep coming back to watch my videos, thank you all so much. You guys give me all the motivation that I need. I'm gonna catch you on the next video.